In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view benefits card in Walmart. To start, open your web browser and head to walmart.com. On the home page, look for the Walmart Plus option in the main menu. Click it to go directly to the Walmart Plus page, where the full list of member benefits is organized into easy-to-scan cards. You don't need to sign in just to view what's included. We're simply reviewing the benefits here. Once the page loads, take a moment to scroll. The first benefit highlighted is free delivery, which covers delivery from your local store on eligible items. Availability can vary by location, so check the fine print on that card. Next, look for free shipping. This applies to many items shipped from Walmart's warehouses, and it's designed for fast delivery on eligible orders without a delivery fee. You'll also see a video streaming choice card. This lists the current streaming partner offer available to members. Gas savings appears as another benefit, showing member pricing at participating fuel stations. There's a free pharmacy delivery card, which outlines how prescription deliveries work for eligible medications and locations. You may notice a card for 5% cash back at Walmart with the OnePay Cash Rewards card. Separate registration and credit approval are required, and the card explains how to apply and where the cashback applies. Burger King Savings showcases member-only offers you can redeem on meals. Free online pet care provides access to virtual pet advice, helpful when you need quick guidance without a clinic visit. Auto Care Savings covers discounts at participating auto care centers, typically for services like tires or oil changes. Up to 5% Walmart Cash for Travel shows how to earn rewards when you book trips through the designated portal. Free Returns from Home explains how to schedule a pickup so you can return eligible orders without leaving home. Finally, Scan and Go lets you shop in-store using the Walmart app to scan items and check out from your phone. As you browse, open any benefit card to read the details, eligibility notes, and any limitations. Some offers vary by region or partner, so it's worth checking the terms on each card before you plan to use it. If a perk looks new or time limited, you'll typically see a note right on the card. Remember, we're just viewing the benefits today. You can compare them and decide later if Walmart Plus matches what you need. If you're on a phone, tap the mobile menu to find Walmart Plus, and you'll see the same benefits cards in a vertical layout. Take your time scrolling through, and by the end, you'll have a clear picture of what Walmart Plus offers and how those benefits can fit into your everyday shopping.